Oh man, that was an interesting day at work. What's that sound? Sound? Whoa! Oh my god! What was that? Alright, hold on a second. I gotta figure this out. Ugh, there's a thing in my house. Oh my god. Peace. Peace, thing. I come in peace. Where did you go? Oh my god, it's a thing. Okay, thing. Look, I'm here to help you, thing. Look. This can be good. This can be easy. Oh! Look, this is such a task that only I can achieve. That is not a hard process. Oh, you knocked over my knife. Thing, you knocked over my pan. Ah! Ah! Ugh. Thing. Where are you, Thing? Oh. No! You went in there. All you have to do is cooperate. Do you understand cooperation? Ah! Alright, Thing! Please come to me. I am on my knees, begging you please to be respectful of my tree. Don't go on my tree. Thing. Look, I'm coming after you right now. Yeah. Thing. Thing. Why are you going into the light? You're not a stupid bug. Oh, right into my shine. Don't you knock my sign down. No, Thing. Do not go. Aww. Looks like we're going upstairs. I'm not here to hurt you, Thing. Oh. You, look, let's be friends. Hi, I'm Herchie. I don't want to eat you. I'm just here to say that, look, that's not an exit. How can you be that dumb? That's a corner. You're like a stupid bug. I'm gonna poke you with this stick, okay? Ah! Okay, bird. I'll address you thusly. You are a bird. You are a, look, hi. I'm not coming here to eat you, okay? You and me, we could be friends. You look like, what are you? Look, if I give you food, will you like me? I have crackers. You wait right there, I'm gonna go get you a cracker. Oh my god. Look, it's food. Try it, please. Look, I'm gonna set it on your little ledge here, okay? Look, peace. I'm gonna set this cracker right here for you, look. You eat that, okay? You like it. Okay? And I'm gonna leave you in peace. Alright? Now you eat that. I'm gonna leave you alone. I didn't poison it. At all, not one bit. I promise you. Eat it. Yeah. You stupid. You dropped it right in the toilet. I tried to be your friend. Can I get you another one? I'm gonna get you another one. Thing, you don't go in my light bulb thing. Don't you making such a mess here? Come on! Who goes in the light bulb? Look. It's food. See this? Ready? No! Really? I had it all figured out too. Oh, you dropped it in the back part of the toilet. How am I gonna get... Oh my god. Okay, now that I've given you the proper tour of my home, you're not gonna get out through there. I understand. I had you in my house before. It wasn't this complicated. I just hit him a few times with one of these sticks. I didn't really do that. Okay, Thing, look, I'm gonna stick it through the little... Hey. You are an inferior winged being, and I am the owner of this household, and I command that you eat this cracker. I'm gonna name you Piedmont, okay? That's your name from now on. Here you go. I dropped it. Cracker, Piedmont, look. What kind of bird are you anyway? You're kind of weird looking. Look, can you eat this cracker, please? Did you just poop? You pooped out my window. At least, if I calculate bird poops, I don't know how many times they do poop. I can calculate how many. How did this even get in my house? Piedmont, look, you've been exposed to the world. Exposure for Piedmont. Piedmont, eat that cracker, please. Don't jump on the cracker! I'm trying to be your friend! What is the deal here? What is so impossible about this? Man and bird have lived together in so long. Looky here. If I had a cage, I would get you and I would feed you and I would pet you and I would rub you and you could sleep on my face and it would be such a good time. But that's not what's happening, is it, Piedmont? I'm gonna grab you, okay? And I'm gonna flush you down the toilet, because isn't that what they do? Piedmont, listen. I'm your friend. I'm your friend, Piedmont. I'm your friend. Look, I just touched you. I touched you. It's okay. Oh man, there's a lot of poop. How do you poop so much? Piedmont, how did you get into my home? Can I know this? Please? Look. It's not that... Oh, not in there. I'm sorry, Sid. I forgot to close your door. Looks like Piedmont went into your room. Piedmont, I'm gonna be a generous fellow here. Look, I won't hit you with this little tiny bat. Alright? I'm just doing it to protect myself. What if you come for my precious eyes? My eyes change colors depending on what I'm wearing. Are you going into my floor now? Piedmont! Look, here we go. Look at the glorious light. Oh my God. Piedmont. Precious Piedmont. Where be ye? Piedmont. Piedmont. I'm tired of this game, Piedmont. This is your exit. Next right. 0.5 miles down the road, exit right, please. Oh my God. Do not go up there. No, 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 no! Ah, no! It's from there in which there is no exit. Oh God. Piedmont, look, I got a food for you. Piedmont, where are you? Ah! Come on! Ah! Piedmont, are you up here, Piedmont? I got a staple gun. I mean, carrying love. Oh no. Seems the visuals will do no trick. Piedmont, I'm gonna tear this floor up. 'Cause I can't find you. I barely can see. Come on, Piedmont. Show yourself. Where have you entered? Where will you exit? He's back. Piedmont. 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 You took my cracker, didn't you? Piedmont. Do not go over. There we go. No, you can't go up there. Ow! 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 Piedmont, look, it's you or me this time. I've already got hurt. Where are you? I just fell. Piedmont, 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 Piedmont. Piedmont, come here. Piedmont, This is the answer, Piedmont. Right here is the answer. One, there it is. There it is. Ah! Ah! Don't you ever come back. Ah! Thank you. Ah. Well, I'm gonna go to the hospital now. For those of you that weren't aware, I just was standing on the prior place where I was pounding the ceiling and it collapsed. All right.
Oh, hey man, you ready to go out tonight?
Oh, finally, yes. It's been a week.
You're looking a little wired. You all right?
Let's just say it was a long week.
Hey, I never noticed that bird there.
Where?
Whoa, whoa, jeez. You really need to get out.
Yeah, it's just sorry. I haven't undecorated from Halloween. It's just been.
Yeah. We need to get you out somewhere. I'm gonna go hit your toilet, unload some of this stuff.
Yeah, it might be a mess up there. The place got tore up just recently.
Oh, wait until I tell you about my day. It was strange.
Not as strange as mine.
Oh man, too much coffee. Whoa! Dude! Whoa! What the heck? There's a bird in your bathroom? What is this, the Pittsburgh Aviary? Alright, I'm just gonna... You just stay put. You just stay put right there. Turning into a f***ing zoo every day here. Whoa. Okay, we'll leave you alone now.
You can't go up there. Yeah, that hurt. I can't believe that thing got in here twice. Ugh. No. No. Piedmont. Am I just hearing things? No! How? Why is this happening? Don't you go... Piedmont. Alright, look. What do I have to do, Piedmont? Piedmont, look, please. Part 3. This is where you and I had a moment. Piedmont, look. Piedmont, please. Let's be cool. Ready? I have to go over there and get that latch. See? Piedmont. You remember this room, don't you, Piedmont? You going on a reverse tour of my home again, Piedmont? How do you get in my house? This is a question I ask very much. Alright, you or me. I'm closing this door. Ow! I just hit my head. Look, this happens constantly. You come in my house, and then you fly straight through out a window forever, and you don't get out. The only time you get out is when I let you out, and then you come back in. Piedmont, come here. I'm going to grab you. Just back off. Look. Piedmont. Look. Window open. Ready? Piedmont, you're the color of the rainbow in my soul. Look, Piedmont. Go out the window. The window is open for you. Oh, sweet freedom. Piedmont, farewell. Until we meet again in 4 hours. I don't get it. I'm not even gonna lock that because I'm gonna have to open it again.